friends, how are you? I'm Dana, welcome to my channel, and today you are seeing finally the June setup. So I'm just going through, or I was going through May, and then I start with my cover page. So for this one, I wanted to do something very different. I went with a very minimal look. Not a lot of colors, pretty much just scale of gray and black. And yeah, so I got the inspiration for all of this from a YouTuber that is called Procrastinate Create, and I will link her video for this. She did this in November 2017, and I love her because she's so minimal and awesome. And I was very much inspired. So yeah, I'm doing pretty much the same stuff right here, and then it changes a little bit in everything else. So I am doing the little calendar there, and I totally flopped at it because I added a 8 column instead of 7 because 7 days. So I decided that I would just continue with it and not erase it or something stupid. And I just added, like, shaded it all up with a gray color, and I just added a sign there, like a dollar sign, so that I would just put there what the amount of money that I spent during those weeks. So that was a good idea, but you know. And then I'm just pasted that moon watercolor that I will leave the link below to, where I watched a tutorial about it, and I did it in watercolor paper, and I loved it. And I'm just adding some glue, and I didn't really find my glue stick, so I just did it with school glue, and I just pasted it there. And I just added a ginormous candle from that. I actually did the circle from that, but it is from I don't know, you know, that I don't know. I am always sorry, kind of like frustrated because I never really do my research, but it's Bath and Body Works. So yeah, and then I actually add my monthly there, and I just added the normal way. I just parted it in two because June has 30 days, so 15 and 15. So from 1 to 15 on one side, and then 16 to 30 on the other one. And I'm just adding the little lines for each week. And then on the moon, that I was really rough to write there, I just wrote to do, and yeah, and I love it so much. So we're going to trackers, and I decided to finally get into my habit trackers. I haven't tracked my habits in so long because I was just so crazy back then, and I decided to do it the normal way that I always do it, but in the longer way. And I added reading, bullet journaling, YouTube upload, amino, water, Instagram, bike riding, Netflix, working or writing, and alarm to wake up at 7 or 6 very early, for me at least. And then on the other page I have my moon tracker and my lunar tracker. Well, not lunar, but not tracker. Not yes, lunar, just not tracker. I love the idea that I did here because I always wanted to track or to see the moon cycles, like the moon calendar. And I got this of a beautiful page, and I will link it below. And I just did the normal calendar, and then I put the moons on the top, and on the bottom I just put the colors. Well, not colors, but shades, or shades, or whatever. You know what I mean. There, I'm doing it. And then on the lunar part, I just draw with my little stencil circles of the moon, different shapes or forms. And for each moon, like to the 2nd of June is that moon or whatever, and I really enjoyed doing that because it was really creative. Normally I never really do something like that. And this is going to be the only color that I'm going to be adding. Everything else is going to be black in scale of gray, or shades of gray. And I really love the look of it, so minimal and beautiful. And there I'm just adding the color, and then we're going to go into the next page. That is going to be a beautiful goals page, super inspired by My Life in a Bullet, because she's one of my favorite ones. Bullet journalists and YouTubers. So yeah. And I decided to do all of the titles with my Tombow Fudenosuke. I haven't really used it that much because I think it's like finishing. The ink is not really there that much. But yeah. And I'm just going to add a lot of moons around there because I saw that My Life in a Bullet did some jars with flowers on her May one, but I'm doing moon theme. And then I'm gonna add a calendar. I have never done this, but I really wanted to, cause I wanted to keep separate my bullet journaling amino, cause if you don't know, I'm part of Bullet Journaling Amino. I'm a welcomer there, and we have a lot of stuff to do there, and a lot in our calendar. And I used to add it to my normal calendar, but it was a mess, so I decided to do another one. That's pretty much it. I'm just giving you the little flip through, and I think I really love this minimal look to it. I hope you liked it too. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it, and share with your friends, and spread the love for me visiting all my social media. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Bye. Don't forget to click the subscribe and click the notification bell to watch all the videos right when I post them. Bye!